When an 8-month-old baby in Georgia started making loud gurgling sounds, the boyfriend of the baby's mother called 911 right away. The baby died, which was sad, but not before her mom and her boyfriend's sick secret got out by accident. What it was will remain a secret. When 8-month-old Kim and Love Whitehead started making loud gurgling sounds, her mother, Siobhan Whitehead, and her boyfriend, Edward F. Wilson, got scared and called 911 right away. When Wilson went to check on the baby, he found that she wasn't moving. Whitehead started CPR on her child until help arrived. The baby was taken to Atlanta's Children's Healthcare, where she was pronounced dead. But while she was there, doctors found out about Whitehead and Wilson's sick secret. Kim had broken ribs and injuries to her legs, buttocks, chin, and arms. According to the Daily Mail, he has a hemorrhage and may have broken bones in his head. The baby was making gurgling sounds because her sick mother and boyfriend were hitting her with a belt, which killed the child. Whitehead denied the accusations at first, but she later admitted that she had hit the child on the legs and buttocks as punishment. Anyone who has seen an 8-month-old baby knows that a child that young can't understand what is right or wrong. Much less do they understand any kind of punishment, let alone being hit with a belt until they die. Kim's sad father, Demario McCoy, said, "I want her to be able to do things like any other parent would." "You want to see your child grow up," he said. "I have everything I want, but I don't know what God wants for me." Since then, he has asked people to pray for him as he goes through this hard time. He hopes that justice will be done for his little girl. FLA says that Whitehead and Wilson have since been arrested and charged with aggravated battery and cruelty to children. It looks like justice will be done. Depending on the results of the autopsy, their charges could get worse. Even though Whitehead and Wilson may never get what they deserve for killing an innocent baby, knowing that they are going to jail for their crime is some justice. No one should hurt a child, let alone kill them by beating them with a belt. The only thing that can make someone feel better is knowing that a child has gone to heaven and is now safe in God's arms.